Santino, your toy patrol, and today we're gonna review the Play-Doh Diggin rigs. So we have Chuck. Is his name Chuck? It is Chuck. This is just a guy. His tires aren't plastic. It's plastic, but it can roll. The other plastic ones doesn't roll their tires. So, in the back of the box, you can get brown Play-Doh, black Play-Doh. We're gonna get these. It says in the back, Play-Doh Diggin rig. See? Saw it. There's molds and everything else. It's everything. Look at those. Boxes! Blocks! Like tires! I think that's tires. Weird looking boxes. That's weird. And he can carry some Play-Doh. See? So, let's open this. We have Chuck. We have the parts of the driller. And we have the Play-Dohs. So, these are what I did. I mixed it so it looks like they came in from the ground. See, it's just the same with the brown one. I mixed it too to make it there from the ground. See? It's like that Chuck mined them. They found it from the... So, what do we have here? Whoa! 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 Look at this! Whoa! There's so much things that we can do in this. It's just so gigantic. It's just so big, guys. I've never seen a map this big. Wow, that is cool. Wowzer, 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 wowzer. Let's play now. I'm so excited. We're gonna play. I'm gonna do the fastest because I want to play. This is the coolest thing ever. Oops. Look at this. It's filled. You need to push it real hard because it's going to go working. grinding graveyard. You can also collect Buster the Power Crane. We have Brick Meal, but we don't have him. You can collect them. And we have Chip the Cutter and Roland the Roller. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.